Hello everyone. So this is for the February 12th assignment, and what I need to do is remind you guys how to write something in slope-intercept form. So remember, slope-intercept is this format. Okay, so it means you got to solve for y. So to do that, you're going to add or subtract the x's to the other side. That's always going to be the first step. Add or subtract x's to the other side. Okay, you're currently subtracting 3x, so add 3x. So you have 3y is equal to 3x plus 21. Second step you're always going to do is divide the coefficient on x. Oops, y. So I'm going to divide out the 3 to everything. So you get y is equal to 1x plus 7. If you don't want to write the 1, that's okay too. All right. Give you another example to remind you how to do it. First thing you always do is move the x's to the other side by adding or subtracting. Currently it's a positive 2x, so you're going to subtract a 2x. Then you're always going to divide the coefficient on the y to everything. And you get y is equal to, reduce the fraction, negative 1/4 x plus 3. And that would be your final answer. Okay. Next, to graph this on an xy grid, first thing you guys do is your y-intercept. So the y-intercept is negative 8. The slope is 2/3. So you're going to rise 2, run 3, rise 2, run 3, rise 2, run 3. Now in delta math, you only have to do that once. I'm just doing it to help me draw the line. You guys have seen that sometimes I'm drawing, I'm paired with the slate here. That's the tool that I have to draw with. Don't worry about this. Well, I guess you have to. This has an equal sign, so your line is solid. So I'm going to draw the line solid. Okay, that's my line. And now we have to shade. This says y is less than. Less than is below. So don't think of it as left and right. That'll drive you guys crazy on this. Left or right. Don't do that. Don't think it's facing left, so I have to shade left. Nope. This is, okay, let's try this. If I had this horizontal line, wouldn't you guys agree this is above and this is below? Yeah. I'm going to take that line and I'm going to lift this edge of it so it's at an incline. This is still above it. This is still below it. Above is greater than. Below is less than. Above is greater than. Below is less than. Sorry, that looks like a 2. Okay. All right, if it's facing the other way, this is above. This is below. So above is, or yeah, above is greater than, below is less than. Okay. Notice this is going right, this is going left, but they're both below. It's not contradictory. Just think of this. Above, below. Above is greater than, below is less than. Y is less than this line. Less than is below the line, so you shade below it. And that would be your answer. So let me show you in delta math. Okay. So the first thing we got to do is solve for y. So you got 3x plus y is less than negative 5. So start by subtracting the 3x. And you get y is less than negative 3x minus 5. So now I have to go to negative 5 and negative 3x. So negative 5, the slope is negative 3x. So I go down 3, right 1, and put another point. Now, I need to change the line because it doesn't have an equal sign. Currently, it's solid. But it doesn't have the equal, so I need to make it dashed. Now, we haven't shaded yet, but click on that. That says above. But it was y is less than, so this is below. So you have to click to shade below the line. And that's your final answer. Okay. Lots of moving pieces in this that you guys have to keep track of. Okay. Let's try another one. The y-intercept is 4. Slope is a half, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. It is dashed because it doesn't have the equal sign. Y is greater. Greater is above. So I'm just going to shade above it. Okay. If it's in standard form, you guys first need to get it into slope-intercept form so you can graph it. Y is greater than negative 2x minus 3. Y-intercept is negative 3. Slope is negative 2. Down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Or up 2, back 1. Up 2, back 1. Up 2, back 1. And it's dashed because it doesn't have the equal sign. Y is greater, so I'm going to shade above. Greater is above it. Okay. This one, start by moving the x's to the other side, and you get negative y, that sign stays with the y, is greater than or equal to negative 2x minus 5. I can't leave this negative here. I have to divide it out. And remember, I divided by a negative number, so I have to turn the inequality around. So 5, the slope is 2, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, down 2, back 1, down 2, back 1, down 2, back 1. And the line is solid because it has an equal sign. Look, I missed. And it says y is less than is below the line, so I'm shading under it. Okay. This last style of question is, they give you the two lines with no shading. So y is less than this line. This line has a y-intercept of 1, so that's this line. Y is less than, so I'm going to shade below it. Y is greater than that line, which is a y-intercept of 3, so I'm going to shade above it. Your answer has to be from the region where it's double shaded. Your answer needs to be in this section of the graph. And all you have to do is look and see, well, which one's in that section of the graph. So, negative 3, 1. Yep, that's in that section. So I'm going to show you these others can't be that. 7, negative 1. Nope. 2, negative 2. Nope. Negative 3, 9. Negative 3, 9 is not in that section. So you would just choose this one. You don't have to go through all of them once you find it. I'm just showing you that that's the only one that's going to be in the region that's double shaded. So starting with this one, the y-intercept is 4, so that's this line. This one is this line. Okay, y is less than, so you're going to shade below it. Less than is below that line. So that means this one is this one. Y is less than is below that line. Less than is below it. So I'm going to shade this side. The answer area is where it's double shaded. This is where it's double shaded, down in here, all of this area. Now, which one is a coordinate in that area? Negative 10, 9, no. 1, 6, no. 10, 4, it's up here, no. 0, negative 9, yes, that's right there. I know it's hard to see there, but it's right there. So that would be it. Okay. So that's the name of your assignment. Thank you for your time. Appreciate it.